NTINYARI KINYUA. Tukanjira ntisochetu Mr. Munene kiri thirikari ya Kenya Musalia Mudavadi nori tiethiri na rwari rwa ngataniro kuthingatira ndwaire gukujirwa katigati ka nthiguru cia Amerika Israeli aria bethiritwe bakirwa na Iran turabutigirite mutongire wa Iran akwite akiuga ndweje karega kumenyerwa yomba kuringithia muno uchumi bwa nthiguru.
Right now, I'm sure most of you are aware, the world again is challenged. The conflict has caught many people again by surprise, and we are now going to witness again a fresh bout of disruption in the supply chains, in matters security, and we can only hope and pray and urge as Kenya that this conflict, the fresh bout of war can be brought to an end as soon as possible. There's a new war that humanity must win, just the way Adwa was a success. We must win the war against conflict. Peace must emerge victorious. So today, we really appeal for the international community, for us to pull together to ensure that what has been sparked off today comes to a quick resolution so that we can move forward in peace as humanity. The second thing that perhaps we can draw from this lesson, this unfortunate incident, is that for Africa, there is now an even more urgent need for us to actualize the Africa Continental Free Trade Arrangement. It is becoming apparent that global conflicts are causing a lot of disruption to our economies, to our livelihoods, to our well-being. We must find alternative arrangements. And therefore, it is absolutely important that observing these trends, where our supply chains are disrupted, where we may very soon start seeing escalation in fuel prices, we are likely to start seeing inflationary pressure coming through. We are likely to see enhanced terrorist activities in different parts. It now becomes absolutely necessary that what inspired Adwa should also inspire the African continent so that we can build our resilience by enhancing and growing our trade and partnerships so that we break away from very simplistic barriers. Because the truth of the matter is that unless we have the alternative, we have very little control of what is happening globally. But we can take control of improving our own ability to work and support each other as Africans.
Kia PNU Rwangiro Meru nigitumiritie murungamo jwayo kiri MCs bakiurwa gutigira ni bakugwata mbaru mirungamo ya kiama giki bakiwa kagitenera kabari gwata murto jarutere regani rogwata Rais Ruto kibindi kebiri wana gwa Kenya 2027 muthuri muriuki gatumenyithia
Mutongere bakiama ke PNU nyandene kaunti Meru na riba manita kutha bakirita mukana muno KMC brabathuri kiama giki na kinya kurotwa bakibira no monga bethe bakithingatira mutojo kiama giki kethatio bethe bakicieberia na bangikuya wakanya
batuja PNU. We have the disciplinary committee iria gakarambi guru icho deliberate mantu jao na kuma disciplinary action will be taken against them. Ketha batu support kiama ke PNU nekyo kia bathurire then iba indicate batikwenda kiama bete kibia mabingi kutho kwenda by elections betie kura nakyo ikibia mabingi bakwa bakisupport iba kuimenya na itwidi ba una kubonya nominated na batiku araina party na siria chake kiama ko kapapati kwebera bangi baka nominated baba ketho be support kiama na ideology chake kiama no tungu ke bathuri no ntu o ideology cia kiama ke aracho
bakiwana kiama ke PNU ketho kigwatana bia mabingi bila bikorega na thirikari nikenda gutigira ati mutongiro mugongo okagita kawira mruto agutwa gitaitwa gitine
PNU one term team era ibangite on one term mission alternative government under the leadership of party leader Peter Gatira Umunya katukuithuranira babonete shashi shoshu ore karakarangi ibonete mantu ya with ya airport kwendia Safaricom. Kenya is blindi katukurira na daia na betu nyati chukuru ende tuzokwenda kwa riama ingeru are ikubira batu tuki united opposition tuna agenda na bore opposition itena agenda yetu ibero ni Kasongo must go. It is a one term. Kasongo one term. New agenda
na muthia bagikana wirane ati kagita kura gakwiria babakona kuromba itina kiama giki baketha bakia wakanyaga kega
PNU gala kwena fair sorting out no ote muntu gatigwa nyuma kenda to akamiru kana tabakuwa tobeto bondo wondo kwenda gitikyo onde kya kandasi mono MCA ibeje ndene PNU gote na mapendeleo na tukathithia timu imwe kenda
na mono nkirombaga kinya ekuru bara bakuigwa kuromba kura batikaigwa bakinyereka ba umeje still beje batonjoin ndene kiama kege PNU ba compete na babange bakuromba kura na kinya bara bakuromba kura bare ekuru ba utu ya ekuru to ba support nikenda tumba kuba inya ya kuona nya mwekuru nya wewe ngwa ena inya
muthuri murioki Weru weekend mutiriro kangangi
akari wodi na kibiriti antere cha Ntumburi bari na gintu gya gukenera ni nyuma ya kwamukira mibaibo gukurukira utethio bwa MC wa Jacob Mwirigi bagwatanirite na thirikari county ya Meru araugite muoroto jao ni gutigira akari ni bagukenera rujero rutheru gakimutegi atumenyithia
irenjire mwe ya kuingia wirane bwa kariba Ntumburi wa ndini ya Kibiritia MC wa wonto kuno Jacob Mwirigi na ringaringete mirango bichinchia royo gochura karipa ipuka ingoko thiria nyonta akiaria Mwirigi aruga bubu bombekanite nonto bakumania na ngwataniro yake na ngabano Meru mutumanto ithinkia
jaujangi tuye jale o lakini roje ne du number 1 nonto no withiro kinyore akuye na ramijeje tole ao lakini ukethwa wira arampara kwou togwa tore andresi issue roje kenda ure ogakinyirwa ni roje rukomba kumutetheria kuona bi akurema bia kurea gukurukira kuritaniria ngugi bwega ikio gutuma wona tukiona into ya bibi bia kuretera antu betu kenda bomba gutetheka so ndikuyukia issues cia project hii ndanenkira ngavana mutumantu ithinkia nukona narua matokeo
abitha munene wa roye kaunti ya Meru no mutumaka ngote kiaria kiri kunenkanira pipes kiri kundi mwanya bia roye ntere cia Ntumburi
gavana na tutumite ya to make sure pipe ichi ukinya na kenda chombo utethia antu betu kwena pipe kithomba na pipe hii kulingana na engineers betu chaatumirika wekira roye kana kuthagana roye distance ya kilomita 1 na nusu ukumaanisha kwena family nyingi ketha chitetheka area riku athugura me oboromba tori kio bonenkera pipe hii bugete iweka pipe itokolo nokoloka area nyingi muno nyama school ma primary school mheshimiwa ukethera pipe unthi imwe chiatukangire
kangote nkurukina kathite ngwatanire riri kuthine MCs na ngabana wa Meru akiuga nio gitumi maendeleo makuoneka
thaibu kona Meru ina thiri mbere kinya antu baterenda uya Meru again nonto kwariga wina ndo kana tebu na ibu kumenya na kwina matheta kuthe maendeleo atiomba wita boyega kana tebu nonto matheta meya ya because of interest lakini chokeria mheshimiwa Mwirigi nkatho na mheshimiwa bonthe ba Meru nonto agwetha ibo watanirite na ngavana mutumanto ithinke boyega sana na ibo tukona tha ibo kioteganya TV na channel cha Meru boke oteganya social media ko no bo tukona barabara ikirimo
chikoremo mono
kuno butukona ilasibi gyakwa butukona chibitari gyakwa na rwa retu tubureterete pipe.
Amemba bagikundi bibi bachokete ngatho cha mwanya mono bakiuga batithe ne iroye kaire
tukomba kwenjira rora ibwega na tuthirie thina rere muito ne njogu itokwana twitete bwega niangachokeria thirikari yetu nkatho mono
turari na challenge ena na mono jontu twenjirwa mbao laja ujo counterpartner na sivap na roje rwana karo rwinge mono ngwetike kimbao iria chiendene kibiri cha wandi je na mbao rere na roje rwinge mono ende tware mo gukinyeria member roje kukurukira challenge ya piping na tokwa MCA mwirigi na itomushogere nkatho jontu netekeria kugwatana na batwe na kusolve the new to nayo ya kukinyeria member roje
na tutiaga roje kaire kwa tukuga twe nyuma yenu ora tugeta tukiuga tutam turuga tutam gavana tutam wa MCA na itogwirito mono ntobo manjero tuthithiria
kuma gicigo mbunge kia Boringe reporter Weru weekend nyukambitaga ki mutegi
tana mbere kurumira ntito chetu nchokerete nyume kagitagate kuraja na ntitonkoroke
Keke kabeja na kamutu yake
kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice siri ni mutujo nice extra premium
mutindi ngia na kamusere
inyaju twenaju jwambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea
mogori wa kinyandu kene etia mutujwa nice extra premium nkima ya mutujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo muthongi na nikwetaga ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio shabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri mututujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watuika wina kiuria yendekithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twists of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rainbow Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Introducing Go Dream Agriculture by Tafaria Castle and Center for the Arts. Go Dream Agriculture equips students with modern, practical farming skills at the Tafaria Nano Farm. The journey begins by showing students how the arts, such as design and architecture, are applied to create efficient, well-organized, and beautiful farms. Students then learn essential plant care skills, including irrigation, weeding, pruning, fertilization, soil conservation, harvesting, and processing. They go on to learn animal care, covering modern housing, feeding, cleaning, grooming, and pest control. The program also introduces general farm management, including the correct use, care, and storage of farm implements. This experiential learning is enriched through a Tafaria immersion, where students explore the Evolution Science Museum, the arts, the herbarium, and the signature Once Upon a Dream experience at Tafaria Castle. Book your school for Go Dream Agriculture for an unforgettable, hands-on learning for life beyond the classroom. You are invited.
Bongo Star Search Season 16 inakam Kanairo. Hii ni boka imeivana. Tunakam kucheki matalents, mavocals, nomadoma na artist kibao from dancers, actors na any other talent. 7th to 8th of March 2026. Hivyo ndo tunaivana. Tupatane Hilton Hotel, Nairobi for Bongo Star Search Season 16. Azawadi zitakuwa mob za kujishindia. Just imagine utasepa na $20,000 ndinga, bila kusahau auditions ni free. Bongo Star Search msimu wa 16. Stay locked on Azam TV, sinema zetu.
Tuko wate ogeni Eden Baba Beauty Spa njaya kuyo thongi botengana na bongi kinyabure ku aja Meru. Njona harua tukuthongomia na maguri jate kuinyeria mubuko jwa kuja class haircuts, coloring and styling, spa treatments and relaxing massages, nail art, manicure and pedicure, makeup and beauty consultation, dreadlock installation and retouch, waxing, eyebrow shaping, scalp treatment na jange. Aja Eden Baba Beauty Spa turi kuthongomia mwankanthi goro yonthe yuge ebai. Turi Greenwood Mall, floor ya ithatu na turugura ntuko chionde kuma Jumatatu mwanka Alamisi kwambiria thaijiri na ndariki ya 15 cia rukiri mwanka the mwana nusu ciogoro, na chio ntuko cia Njuma na Jumamosi ni kwambiria thaijiri na ndariki ya 15 cia rukiri mwanka thaijiri na nusu ciogoro, na ntuko ya Jumapili ni kwambiria thasta cia muthenya mwanka the mwana nusu ciogoro. Turingire thimu na rugukurukira 0723 555 015 kana tuchwekire mitandao yetu yonthe. Eden Baba Beauty Spa, where class meets confidence, because yes, you deserve it.
Kama invite yangu haikufika on time, but I'm glad to be here anyway.
She was my rival, my competitor. We need to shut this business down.
Hii biashara ndo kila kitu kwenye hii familia, nikufe ama nisikufe. Kama mbaya.
We ni mnoma sana.
One truth can break everything.
Sit tight.
Bagi gwetana mbere kurumira Nteto chetu tugicokera kireure daktari kimegi kimutaramu na gucokia bia mitandao gukone infection kiri njira ya uciari ya mwekuru.
Kore kioria to korua kethera kurea sukari enyinge niretaga infections. Dira mtu aria sukari through the stomach, the intestines igatuika absorbed into the system, ikathongira mikiani ya ndamu, na aria sukari ye ni kuongerera kiri mikia ya ndamu ikurukagira kiri ndeni ya kidney mpigo imwe karutwa. Lakini dira waria sukari nyingi ya the system ne charejaga organ wa pancreas kenda yomba kutetheria sukari kurutwa, na ira yomba kuekereta thina ni ukaya kwithirwa pancreas yaku ena cells kugana yomba kuekereta diabetes. Nao murimo wa sukari itwino uretaga thina ya kureta infections nonto dira sukari yetia kirimwe kinini yetia muno na ni kumira kimaumago niretaga infections muno saidi ya njira ya maumago teo urinary tract infections. Kuria mtu kwa sukari nyingi na wake akiomba utima mtu wena sukari nyingi ke maumago na infection wake wakiona muno ni infections ya urinary tract. Oka kwa wara ya wo tiena ororo ti infection ti o mabuno nto idere tukonaga symptoms tuonire rema mtu na waka matete bacteria lakini atiko wena ndari noereko kwa utoma wewe kwewa utiroro kwegwa lakini kuri na infections kwewa koria dira mwekoro akwewororo dira kona na mukoro wake na kwewa na kwewororo ikawainda tiambuge okaya kwire okagita kambere kabisa kamwekoro kwegwa akionana na mtu murume no ewe some pains, lakini enu ne ya ekuwa ne kuthira with the time obora kuendelea kuona, Lakini kwa mwekora aendelea kuona na mtu murume, lakini kwa ururu enti kawaida na yomba kwa ere dalili ya thina ere bantu. Either kere masosia njira ya uchiari kana kore na infection kana kore na problem ndani ya nyumba ya uchiari kana pelvis itu toa PID kana no kwena thina kere cervix tayo gwaire dalili ya cancer ya cervix ikiambiria. Kwa udera mwekora kwa wororo na tio kagitake kambere kuona na mtu murume ti kawaida kuigwa akiona pain. Ituije dera mwekoro mwekoro reproductive na lutaga mucus. Dera mwekoro kwa mabauga aterera mwekoro akwenda kuthamenda na gekira steam rojirwa rwena kimurugutera na steam kana kuthambia kenda yomba kurigiria infection. No itugira ino ni ti sawa tubide kurutha unontu no korudia wekira steam Weru Thaa karuta the normal bacteria na eru na leo kutha steaming can relieve symptoms taiwa ni irritation lakini itithiria the infections. Kwa hiyo tubide kurutha steaming yake utubide kurutha steaming at all.
Kire na mekarira kiuma giki turi mureka wikiri bwangu kiri nthukimbethe.
Ibwaga muthikiria na rieto mbito wa Purity Nguta. Mikire anarua nia anabarabe tagwa teenager. Mwana omware ukamwikira marinda Janeti. Kwina turinda kana miguto mithungi ya teenager watonya ndukene. Uga ni teenager oguchwira. Yezi nabyo bibujagirwa muno ni ibande kana miguto igwitwa sweatpant.
Sananjire ndi kwibwega no tubakona kanya kugwatanira about nkwendere ntuko yenjaga ntuto ingira njira enkinyaniru nona charinga themo na nusu URETERI ni mwaje nkinya unbita gwantinyari Kenya hidrona kagitaga kega.